Rumors are swirling about an exciting new compact drone from DJI, possibly called the DJI Flip. While there's no official confirmation yet, reports from the US Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, suggest the product is close to launch. The FCC filings show that the DJI Flip has been certified for sale in the US, which adds weight to the speculation about its debut at CES 2025. This drone is expected to focus on portability, ease of use, and innovative features that might set it apart in DJI's lineup. The drone world has been buzzing with speculation as DJI continues to innovate with every release. The possible addition of the Flip shows DJI's intent to diversify its offerings. Unlike their more complex models, this drone seems aimed at providing a fun and easy experience without sacrificing quality. This makes it ideal for people who are new to drones but still want features that allow them to explore their creativity. Early sketches suggest that the Flip's design will make it intuitive for anyone to pick up and start flying. Another key detail that's been making waves is its rumored build quality. The Flip is expected to feature durable materials to withstand minor crashes, while maintaining a lightweight design that's easy to carry around. This combination of portability and durability could make it a favorite for users who want a drone they can take anywhere. For those who enjoy experimenting with aerial shots, the Flip could offer exciting opportunities with its advanced features. Even though it's a mid-range drone, it might include intuitive controls and settings for cinematic movements, allowing users to create professional-looking footage without needing extensive skills or training. This approach could attract vloggers, content creators, and hobbyists looking for a practical and capable flying camera. The timing of the Flip's rumored launch is also significant. If it debuts at CES 2025, it will be part of a wave of new tech announcements, generating even more excitement and interest from the public. This could position the Flip as one of the most talked-about drones of the year. Giving DJI a head start in capturing the attention of the drone market early in the year, the DJI Flip is shaping up to be a compact drone with a focus on safety and simplicity. It seems perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want a user-friendly device. Early design rumors highlight the addition of propeller guards. These guards are great for protecting both the drone and its surroundings, especially in tight spaces or for first-time pilots. Unlike the DJI Neo, which is designed for FPV flying, the Flip is expected to come with a standard controller setup. While this might not excite FPV enthusiasts, it makes the Flip easier to use for casual users. DJI is clearly aiming to make the Flip appealing to a wide range of people who want a reliable, fun drone for everyday use. One major upgrade that's getting attention is the battery. Reports suggest the Flip will have a 3,110 mAh battery, which is an improvement over the Neo's smaller battery. This means flight times could exceed 20 minutes, which is a big deal for users who want longer flying sessions without frequent recharging. This could even put it in competition with the DJI Avata 2, which offers about 23 minutes of flight time. Another exciting area is the camera. While no official details are out yet, many believe the Flip will come with better image quality and stabilization. This could make it a great option for capturing high-quality photos and videos without spending on higher-end models. Positioned as a mid-range drone, the Flip might bridge the gap between entry-level and premium drones like the Avata 2. It's also rumored to offer customizable flying features, like advanced flight patterns for more creative and cinematic shots. These options would appeal to both hobbyists and semi-professionals who want greater control over their footage. The Flip is also expected to stay lightweight and compact, so it'll be easy to carry around despite the bigger battery. The focus on portability makes it a great travel companion. Though much remains unknown, such as its AI capabilities or detailed specifications, the Flip's mid-range positioning suggests it could be an important addition to DJI's lineup. By combining ease of use, portability, and advanced features, it might attract a lot of attention from drone enthusiasts. The Flip has the potential to stand out as a versatile and capable drone with its extended flight time, improved camera system, and beginner-friendly design. It seems DJI is once again raising the bar for innovation in the drone market. The DJI Flip could become a standout addition to DJI's collection, offering portability, better battery life, and features that appeal to a wide range of users. If it meets expectations, it might be the perfect balance between entry-level and premium options. With CES 2025 coming soon, enthusiasts are waiting to see if this drone lives up to the hype. Do you think the Flip will be the right drone for you? Share your thoughts as we dive deeper into the future of drone tech here on Factic.